Hey there, this is Mike, and I wasn't going to do a video tonight, but I just decided to. I've got my pepper platter here. I'm not sure what I'm going to eat off of this. So what I got here, these are serrano peppers, but they're super hot. You know, usually they're green in the store. Well, these are not only red, but they're big. And let's see, these red habaneros. This habanero I got at a Mexican grocery store, and you can see it's partially green, which is interesting. And then regular orange one that's super hot came from that same batch. And you know, these red ones I got at a grocery store, and you would think that these red ones would be a lot hotter than those orange ones or that one that's partially green, which I actually, in truth, I don't know how this was going to be, but I do know that this one's super hot. And I'm going to eat this first. But also have some of these Thai peppers, which I like to buy. These bird's eyes. And I always look for the ones that are orange, you know, just for a variety. The shiny green ones I like, and the ones that are orange. So let's try the orange habanero that came from a place where they're extra hot. Last night, I ate a couple of these and got a bad throat burn, and it was kind of a panic mode, you know, like a mini panic mode, but I had to get up. I had to run out to the refrigerator and get the ice cream out, and just, ugh. Throat burns really get to me. I can handle a bad mouth burn, but man, when it starts attacking your throat, that's you know, when I start, you know, tapping out. But we'll see. I'm going to try to tough this one out. You know, this looks like a vegetable platter, and it actually is a vegetable platter. It's just that they're all hot peppers. So here's the habanero orange from a Mexican grocery store that have been super hot. I don't see a lot of placenta. It's hot right away. Like a little seed cluster around that. There's Romeo poking his head in. Yeah, it's hot. Oh. It's hot. It's bitter. Oh. Ugh. I don't like the bitter ones. Ah. I like the ones that have that nice citrus, fruity, you know, almost sweet taste. This one's just a nasty, bitter burner. Whew. Oh, here comes the hot part of it. Got Molly over here too. Hey, Molly. Oh, excuse me. So, I'll be glad when that batch is gone. Oh, I love hot peppers, but habaneros are okay too. But those just, I don't know, every once in a while you get a batch that, excuse me, peppers stuck in my teeth. I get the hiccups a lot. Oh. I don't get the ear thing, the tear thing, or some of these other things that people get. I also never had a problem going to the bathroom after eating these. But man, I get the hiccups. Okay, well, that's still burning. Let's see. Let me eat one of these green green Thai peppers, also called bird's eye. It's kind of got that one's got a bitter. Nose is starting to run. Glasses are steaming up. In fact, I'm going to take them off. Boy. Oh. Getting that nasty throat burn. Oh. Oh, God. Just feels like a blowtorch in the back of my throat. Tongue's starting to burn, sting. Oh. Oh. Man. I think that's going to be it. Thanks for watching. Woo! Try something different. Maybe tomorrow night. Oh, gosh. Oh. Whew. Have a good night.